Anyone ever offered you a test drive?
No. Nobody ever said hello.
People judge. I wish it weren't so, but people judge. You can wear whatever you want if you drive a Gallardo.
Yeah?
I'm Nick Holden. Ready for a test drive?
Yeah.
I'll get the keys. Taking the Gallardo out.
He's a looker, not a buyer.
This is my first sale, and I promised to split it with Rebecca.
He's buying?
I know, but she's out with another customer. Can you log me in on her computer? Rebecca, so glad you're back. This is Dan. He's buying the yellow Gallardo. Dan, Rebecca will take it from here. Congratulations, my friend.